All right, another day, another attempt at trying to get one of these 10 balls in that hole over there. Shot one. Way too short. Today I'm using a 60 degree too, so I don't know if that's going to help me or hurt me, but I'm going to go for it. Ooh. I definitely get a lot more spin with the 60, but it's just such a short club for me. Shot three. Nope. That just completely was a terrible shot. Shot four. Wow. Right over it. Dang. Shot five. That's not even going to get close. Man, that's what I hate about the 60 degree. I feel like I either skull it or I just go completely under it. Or it checks up very nicely like that. Man. 4 shots left. Let's see if I can get close. Time to lock in. That's just, man, that's tough. I think tomorrow I'm going to go back to my 53, but 3 shots left. What a kick. Wow. I'm giving myself a good lie on these last 2 shots. All right, here we go. Bump it up there. It actually went pretty close. Final shot. Here we go. Keep the hands moving forward. Wow. Definitely got a good kick, but I'll try tomorrow.